Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 17th of January 2024. The Indian market plunged to its biggest single-day fall in 18 months as HDFC Bank's disappointing Q3 show triggered a fall in the banking pack, roiling the equity benchmarks on January 17th amid weak global cues. At close, the Sensex was down 1,628.01 points, or 2.23%, at 71,500.76, and the Nifty was down 460.30 points, or 2.09%, at 21,572. Biggest losers on the Nifty were HDFC Bank, Tata Steel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank and Hindalco Industries, while gainers were HCL Technologies, SBI Life Insurance, Infosys, LTI Mindtree and TCS. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Madras Rubber Factory, popularly known as MRF, touched the 1.5 lakh rupees mark in afternoon trade, extending gains for the sixth trading session in a row on the Bourses. At this price, MRF became the most expensive Indian stock. Soon after reaching the landmark, the counter, however, paired gains and, by 2 p.m., the stock was trading at 137,711 rupees, up 0.8% from the previous close on the NSE. The stock had climbed over 53%, or 48,000 rupees, last year as against a 20% gain in the Nifty. Banking stocks saw heavy selling on January 17th, as all 12 Nifty Bank Index names traded with cuts in the afternoon after negative commentary on heavyweight HDFC Bank's below per December numbers weighed heavy on sentiment for the sector. HDFC Bank, which takes up over 29% of weightage in Nifty Bank, dived 8.5%, putting pressure on the sectoral index, which was down over 4%. The weakness also rubbed off on other lenders, pulling them down by up to 4%. Shares of ICICI Lombard General Insurance rallied more than 6% on January 17 morning, as its third-quarter combined ratio came in at 103.6% against estimates of 104%. Combined ratio was 104.4% in the year-ago period and 103.9% in the September quarter. A measure of profitability, the combined ratio is the sum of incurred losses and operating expenses measured as a percentage of earned premiums. Lower combined ratio is good news for the company as well as investors. The share price of Larsen & Toubro scaled a 52-week high on January 17, after the company's buildings and factories business won in orders in India and Oman. The residential business of B&F has secured a significant repeat order from the Government Planning and Development Authority, Maharashtra to build EWS housing, 14 towers and related infrastructure in Navi Mumbai. The scope of works includes design and construction of civil structures in all aspects, including finishes, MEP, and related external development works. The project is to be executed within 42 months. Shares of Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency bucked the market trend to zoom over 5% on January 17 to an all-time high of 125 rupees and 60 paise on the NSE. The rise comes a day after the company announced a partnership with Indian Overseas Bank to co-finance renewable energy projects in India. The agreement, signed in presence of IREDA Chairman and Managing Director Pradeep Kumar Das and IOB Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer Ajay Kumar Srivastav, sets the stage for co-lending and loan syndication for a diverse spectrum of renewable energy projects across the country, IREDA said. Quality Foils India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 122.40 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 117,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 107.68, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.06. Indothai Securities Limited in daily time frame is trading around 291.95 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 96.247 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 250.06, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.56. Goa Carbon Limited in daily time frame is trading around 721.15 points with a change of 18.93% and is trading with a net volume of around 3.91 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 615.50, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 92.08. For the stock recommendation we have, L&T Finance Holdings Limited looks good and can be bought at 170 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 163 rupees and a target of 177 rupees. You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.